17 divided by 1000. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are called power of 10. To divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 number and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Here number of zeros is 3, so we need to move decimal point 3 places from right to left. Decimal point, since this is a whole number, so decimal point will appear here. Then 1 place, 2 place, 2 place, placeholder 0, 3 place. So here. So we are getting decimal 0, 1, 7. You can add here one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. So 0.017 is our answer. Look, here dividend is 17, but here our quotient is 0.001. Here, which is greater? Of course, dividend 17 is greater than quotient. Actually, division means repeated subtraction, and in repeated subtraction, the value of this dividend will be decreased. This is the proof.